Lily's Home 2-quart stainless steel whistling tea kettle, the perfect stovetop tea and water boilers for your home, dorm, condo, or apartment. Red. For gas or electric cooktops, with a flat bottom, this kettle is compatible with gas, electric, glass and induction stoves and features a tight-fitting stainless steel lid to prevent liquid spills and keep water warm for your next cup. Whistling tea kettle, with pleasant audible whistle sound to alert you when the water has reached boil point and is temperature ready for tea time. Manual flip-up spout cover. Large capacity, 2 liters, stovetop tea kettle pot that makes about 6 cups of hot water for delicious tea in minutes. Ergonomic safe handle, a full-loop phenolic handle makes pouring simple and easy. Use potholder to protect hands if water has just reached boil. Classic finished, durable stainless steel construction with a red finish will complement any kitchen decor. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.